Okay, let's jump right in. Today we're doing a deep dive on, well, the kind of gear that makes really complex AV setups tick. Specifically, the A-Neuvideo ANI-8-4K60-S. It's an 8x8 HDMI Matrix Switcher, and with a price tag around $1,500, you know this isn't your average home device.
No, definitely not. Think of it as the central hub, maybe the brain, for a serious installation. It takes up to 8 different video sources, think players, PCs, cameras, whatever, and lets you send any one of those to any of 8 different screens, all at the same time.
Right, so our job today is really to figure out what technical specs, what features make this specific box necessary, why this one can in violation for those demanding setups.
Well, it really starts with the raw video capability. You're looking at HDMI 2.0B support, and crucially, that means it can handle a full 18 gigabits per second of uncompressed signal bandwidth. That's fundamental for high-quality video.
18 gigabits. Okay, and what does that translate to in terms of actual picture quality?
It means solid support for 4K, specifically 4K at 50 or 60 hertz, and with the best color fidelity, YUV 4.4.4, and maybe even more critical for installers, it handles the copy protection properly, both HDCP 2.2, the current standard, and the older 1.4.
That compatibility is key, isn't it? Mixing old and new gear.
Absolutely. You need that flexibility.
And this is where it gets interesting for, modern displays. It's not just 4K, right? It handles HDR.
Oh, yeah. Full support for the major HDR formats. We're talking Dolby Vision, standard HDR, HDR10, plus Comture, and HLG. Plus, you've got support for different color depths, 8-bit, 10-bit, even 12-bit. So the image quality side is, well, pretty much locked down.
Okay, picture quality sorted. But the name includes Scalar. What does that bring to the table? Why is that important?
Scalar. That's a huge problem solver. It means the Matrix has independent video downscaling built right in.
Downscaling, so converting 4K down.
Exactly. Imagine you have a 4K source feeding all 8 outputs, but maybe 4 of those screens are older 1080p models. The Matrix itself can scale the 4K signal down to 1080p just for those outputs without affecting the 4K signal going to the other screens.
Okay, so no need for extra converter boxes cluttering things up.
Precisely. It saves time, cost, and complexity. Big deal for installers.
Makes total sense for video. Now, audio is often an afterthought, but this unit seems to treat it quite seriously. It mentions an independent 8x8 audio matrix.
Yes. And this is more than just pulling audio off the HDMI. It's a fully separate routing system for audio.
Why would you need to route audio totally separately from the video it came in with?
Think about, say, a large restaurant or a control room. You might want the main video feed on all screens, but maybe send the TV audio to speakers in one zone, background music to another zone, and maybe a specific source's audio to just one monitoring station via the analog outputs.
Total flexibility then.
Yeah.
You decide which audio goes where, regardless of the video.
Complete independence. You can route audio from any HDMI input to any of the analog audio outputs, those RCA or Phoenix connectors, totally separate from the video routing.
And you get fine control over that too, right?
Yeah.
Level control and lip sync?
Yep, really granular, independent level adjustment, 0 to 60, and lip sync delay from 0 up to 150 milliseconds on those analog outs. You can dial it in perfectly.
That level of detail suggests this isn't just controlled by a simple remote. How do you manage all this?
Right. It integrates into professional control systems. You've got TCP/IP for network control, the classic RS-232 serial connection, and IR, of course. Plus, it supports CEC control. So the Matrix can actually tell connected sources or displays to turn on or off, for instance.
Very neat. And so it's TAA compliant. That's significant for certain types of installations.
It is. That means it meets requirements for U.S. government purchasing, often indicating a certain level of build quality and security consideration. Add in practical things like a built-in test pattern generator for setup and the fact it reports 0 video latency. It's built for pros.
And just to confirm, on latency 0 for video, and the audio delay is only on the analog outs, and it's adjustable.
Correct. Digital audio stays synced with the video through the HDMI paths. The delay adjustment is specifically for matching those separate analog audio outputs if needed.
Okay, so pulling it all together, the ANI-8 4K60S isn't just switching signals, it's really about managing them comprehensively.
Exactly. It's integrated signal management, tackling resolution differences with scaling, handling complex audio routing independently, ensuring compliance, and offering robust control. It's designed to smooth out the wrinkles in complex AV distribution.
Which brings us to a final thought for you listening. Think about managing 8 distinct 7.1 channel HD audio streams, LPCM, True HD, DTS HD, master audio simultaneously, while also potentially downscaling video for some zones but not others. Where do you think this extreme level of independent video and audio control offers the biggest advantage? Is it mission control, a university campus, maybe high-end residential, or something else entirely? Definitely something to mull over.